enlarge it?
I wanted to zoom in. Can't even see the combine. That grain cart's so big.
Well, I didn't get a picture of them traveling.
Yeah.
I was going to take a picture, and he pulled out, and they stopped over there.
Yeah.
So I went out there and got in front of him, so I got a picture of them unloading without traveling. But that's all right.
Yeah. We'll have video commentary on this one. Keep talking, Galen.
Oh, you're doing a sound too yet?
Well, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, see, there, speaking of the devil.
Yeah, speak of the devil is right. Sitting on his rear end again doing nothing. Yeah. Boy, the dust is really flying.
Yeah.
The dust is flying and it's starting to sprinkle. Boy, honey, we're in trouble now. They better hurry a little faster than that.
You're making it sound like it's a real disaster.
Yeah. Yep. We got to get off this field for lightning strikes and starts it all on fire. Where are you going to park your combine and tractor for the night? Out here in the straw.
Well, where else would I do it?
I know.
I guess in the soybean field over there, I could park it there. Yeah.
Man, 2 big loads in the grain cart. There wouldn't be much left of this field, would there? How many acres is this?
This is only 24 acres. 60 bushel would be about 1,400 bushel. Would be just a little over 2 loads. Unfortunately. Dickinson County. Dennis is finally making some dust.
This would be the pest. We got a hailstorm on my brand new roof.
Well, you got insurance.
Yeah, they'd be really TO'd about that deal.
Well,
there would be no depreciation on this one, I guarantee you.
that is. And looking into the sun, yeah. Can't see, for some reason it doesn't show the clouds. It doesn't show the clouds. That's beautiful, unless it will on the video. You can't see anything of that. I guess you're ready to go.